This is why I don't recommend buying Porter cable tools. This is an impact driver, especially impact drivers. I don't know about their drills. I believe this thing is measured in inch pounds. The torque is measured in inch pounds. I was trying to use it to remove a nut, and it didn't work. The motor got locked up because there's this piece of plastic that's a part of the hammer mechanism in here, and it broke and it locked up the motor. I fixed that. You can see that in my other video, but now the problem it has now inside the brushes here, where the brushes are on each side in here, when you turn it on, it arcs and it gets really hot. If you were to run this thing for a short amount of time, it would eventually start melting the plastic housing that it's in. Very poor design. Watch. See, it looks okay now. On a low speed it looks okay. Let me give it some more speed. See that? That is not normal. It is normal on a brush motor to see little sparks as it's rotating around, but like that, that's no good. I had this thing for about 3 years and it worked perfectly fine up until this point. I don't know what happened to it, but look at that. That is scary. This definitely cannot be used anymore. It has to go in the trash. But I'll hold on to it for a little bit, because if anybody has any idea why it's doing that, if there's a way to actually fix it and maybe this thing can still be usable for something, then leave a comment below and let me know. I used this thing probably about an hour ago, and this is still pretty hot to the touch when I put my finger on it. And over here, see that plastic? It's damaged. This, I'm pretty sure this is shot. And I can obviously tell what happened is something in here got too hot and the motor's jammed. It can't rotate. And it looks like this piece here, there's a gap right here. There's a gap right here. I mean, see that gap right there? This piece, it looks like it's supposed to be inside in here. It looks like it popped out of place. And it got jammed in here. I don't even know if there's anything I can do for this thing. You'll see me working on this impact driver right here that I'm holding up right here. See me working on it, and you'll see that piece of junk plastic piece inside that screwed up this whole thing. Just from trying to get a nut off. The nut wouldn't come off. It kept hammering and hammering. And I guess maybe from using it too long, because it's plastic, the plastic got hot and then it got damaged or whatever. But you can see that there. So Porter cable, as far as the impact drivers, it's no good. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell.